In this video, I've got another bit of fun for you. This is Arumdu, and it's their can't even say, Rum Bongo Punch. Stay tuned. Hey there, I'm Steve the Barman, and I'm hoping these videos are helping you to drink, serve, and enjoy your favourite spirits. Right, I've got a big old smile on my face because this is in my batching of my videos, this is my third one. I've done a whole fruity theme going on. I've had my eye on this little bad boy now for a few months. And this is Arumdu. This is Rum Bongo Punch. It's absolutely brilliant. Little 50cl. It's 28% ABV. So the Damiso that I did in the last video, the rum, the mango and passion fruit, was 30% now. So actually, kind of while we are sort of dipping down a little bit in ABV, there are actually some really, really good, tasty drinks when you're at home, pubs and bars, and you just want to wow people. Absolutely amazing. So I've had my eye on this little brand. It kind of popped up on Master of Malt probably at the start of this year. Actually got launched in 2019. Didn't really see it get launched. It just kind of appeared on Master and Malt. Right, it says the Northern Rum Company, so it's a UK based there. Now, my spidey senses, there's nothing online about the Northern Rum Co. So when I put my little spidey senses into gear, I actually found out that this is one of Paragon brands, another agency. Paragon have got some big brands. For all you rum lovers that are watching this, Puss's Rum is one of theirs now. Hidden Loot Spiced Rum that I've not actually tried is another one out of the Paragon stables. And gin wise, they've also got G-Vine as well. That's one of theirs. And the Irish gin that I did probably maybe 2 years ago now. Well, Dingle Gin. That's one of theirs as well. So Paragon, no strangers to decent brands. Now there's actually, with Arumdu is the brand, there is actually 4 flavour extensions that they've got. This was the one that immediately took my eye because I like my bit of fruit. So this is a Rum Bongo Punch. I've got to read these off the list here. We've got caramelised banana, we've got butter salted popcorn, and we've got spit roasted pineapple as well. So they're all 28% ABV. As far as I'm aware, the rum is all the rums are the same. So it's a Guyanan rum. They ship the rum over from Guyana. I'm assuming that's Diamond Distillers, that's the word, responsible for El Dorado. So I'm assuming it's that sort of same distillery that's producing these rums. Shipped back to the UK. Again, nothing online about the Northern Rum Company. All we're getting, even the postcode doesn't flipping exist on Google Maps. All we know is it's roughly sort of Warrington, South Manchester area. Again, whether that's a pseudo company sort of created by Paragon Brands, I don't know. I don't know whether you guys actually exist, Northern Rum Company. If you do, hit me up on Instagram. I want to hear from you, but I cannot find anything apart from, and even Paragon Brands hasn't got this on there yet, so it's kind of really under the radar. Now the first question on my lips, do you remember rum? It wasn't rum, it was Umbongo. Do you remember the older ones in the UK? You all remember this. Do you remember Umbongo? 20 years ago, maybe 15, 20 years ago. Umbongo, they drink it in the Congo. Do you remember those adverts? My immediate reaction was obviously that's where it's come from. But what actually is what is this Rum Bongo Punch? And they've got sort of little pictures on there. We can tell there's a bit of pineapple, a bit of lime on the front cover there. On the front label, I should say. But the blurb: pineapple, mango, passion fruit, lemon, lime, and orange. That's what's gone in there. Price wise, not too bad. I think price wise, we'll see. We'll see what it tastes like. I think price wise they could do a little bit better. It's a 50cl bottle. And you're talking roughly 26 to 28 pounds your price. So this has got to be an absolutely phenomenal liquid to warrant that. And I don't know why, right? I instantly knew. So the last video that I did, the Damiso, the mango and passion fruit, even though that was £35, maybe hitting 40 for some of you, I had no doubts in my mind, but there's just something in me with this, even though I'm really excited and I've got my fruity palate going on. It's just something about me that thinks actually that this one shouldn't be that much money, but we'll see. So what does it smell like? Right, so on the nose, this is really interesting actually, because actually what it reminds me of, what did I say was in it? Pineapple, mango, passion fruit, lemon, lime and orange. It smells more like Cherryade or Vimto or something like that. I'm really excited about this as well, but I don't actually get any of those 6 things going. I've got to get on and try it. Right, what does it taste like? Well, let's go firstly, sweetness scale. I'm going to give it a 4. I was toying with a 3.5. I think I'm actually going for a 4 out of 5. It's not quite cloyingly sweet, as in it doesn't stick to your teeth or anything like that. But the big difference between the Damiso, the mango and passion fruit that I did in the last video, you can tell that was natural fruit. It was fruit, pure, unadulterated, ripe, tasty fruit. This one, unless my palate is just shot to bits, which is quite possible, I do not get pineapple. I do not get mango. It tastes, right, okay, I'm doing it a disservice, right. It actually tastes really fun. It tastes really, really good. Yes, it's a little bit sweet. It does taste really, really good. I can't, it's not in the same league as, bearing in mind there's only 2% ABV in it, I would class this as more of a liqueur than a rum-based spirit drink like the Damiso. But there is going to be so many fans for this that it's going to sell. Without a shadow of a doubt, that is going to sell. I'm just slightly confused because it's not kind of what I was expecting it to taste like. If they are going for a mango, passion fruit, pineapple, lemon, lime and orange flavoured rum, it tastes nothing like that. If they focus on Rum Bongo, which actually sounds fun in a glass and makes you want to drink it, then they've absolutely nailed it, because that is fun in a glass. It really is. I just don't get any of those flavours coming out in that. But guilty pleasure, you are going to love drinking it. You really are. Right then, how are you going to best enjoy this as a fun highball cocktail? I'll be honest, you are going to enjoy it, because it is, despite me trying to work out what actually flavours I could taste in there, it is a fun, tasty drink. So first off, it's kind of my theme actually, it's probably my palate. First off, again, ginger ale, just, you know, lovely, lovely drink. Fun, innocent, slight bit of ginger, just giving that little bit of bite and body to the drink. Just a phenomenal highball. The next drinks as well, pineapple soda. There we go, I have to get the label right around the right way. Kind of the sweeter version of the tropical soda. I actually think, yeah, me personally, I preferred the tropical soda from Fentimans. However, I think if you're the sort of person that's going to order that, I think you are going to absolutely love it 100% with the sweeter pineapple soda, because that just makes a fun drink. And then my third pick, lemonade. Again, if you're the Sprite, 7-Up kind of people, then innocent, fun, innocent drinks in a glass all day long. You are absolutely love it. For me, I love the sort of more traditional kind of lemonades. My favourite is the Franklin's and Sons lemonade with a hint of elderflower. I love that. But San Pellegrino limonata, all those kind of things. Favourite Sicilian lemonade. I love those kind of things because they've just got a little bit of extra sharpness going on. Over here, I haven't actually tried it yet. I've made it. It's a daiquiri. Ooh, that's pretty fun as well. Not in the same league as the previous video. Possibly I needed a bit less sugar in that. Again, I've done so 2 parts booze, 1 part lime, and half a part sugar. I think I even needed slightly less sugar in that, but that's fun as well. Simple daiquiris. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, hit the bell notification if you want to be notified when I upload new videos. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I've been Steve the Barman. Rum Bongo, they drink it in the Congo.